Introducing Microsoft 365 Copilot into a tenant with overshared files and unmanaged identities creates an immediate risk. Without strict permissions in place, the AI aggressively indexes and surfaces every single exposed document within your environment. SafeScan is built to diagnose those specific vulnerabilities. It connects to your Microsoft 365 tenant and audits your entire security posture in under 5 minutes. The platform connects via Microsoft Graph with strictly read-only permissions. No data is stored, and nothing in your environment is modified. Establishing visibility into your tenant without compromising the underlying data is the first step before authorizing any AI deployment. This is the Scan's history interface. This command center is where we initiate new audits. Looking at the LogSam tenant log, timestamps confirm the efficiency of the read-only architecture, with full scans completed in minutes. This dashboard visualizes the completed scan. The findings by severity chart quantifies exposed risks across 6 modules, like data exposure, compliance, and licensing. On the right, the Copilot readiness metric shows a 67 out of 100 score, giving a definitive baseline for deployment decisions. Translating an amorphous web of complex configurations into a singular, quantified score makes Copilot readiness a measurable business outcome, rather than an operational guess. This is the security checkpoints list. Here, we can drill down from the macro view and filter by domain to isolate specific failed or warning statuses. Opening the DLP policies checkpoint reveals a 0 out of 100 failed score. The interface provides a clear explanation of the risk. Without data loss prevention policies configured, sensitive data can be shared freely. Contrasting that with the sensitivity labels checkpoint, we see a partial vulnerability. The 46 out of 100 warning score explicitly counts the assets involved, noting that 18 SharePoint sites currently lack default labels. By navigating to the Raw Data tab, we can view the exact JSON response returned directly by the Microsoft Graph API. Exposing this raw API data removes the algorithm's black box, allowing security auditors to independently verify every finding at the source. This screen shows the Remediation Steps tab for our failed DLP policies check. It immediately converts the identified risk into a concrete, numbered administrative workflow. This eliminates guesswork for the IT team by detailing the exact click path required through the Microsoft Purview compliance portal. At the bottom of the Sensitivity Labels tab, direct links connect the user to official Microsoft engineering documentation, making every step verifiable. For advanced IT teams, the PowerShell Script tab provides ready-to-run automation. Here, we see the script for evaluating conditional access policies. These scripts query the exact same graph data SafeScan uses, allowing administrators to reproduce the logic and execute automated fixes at enterprise scale. Identifying a vulnerability is only half the job. Providing the literal operational tools to correct it is what actually secures the tenant. With these tools, your team moves from managing an opaque, high-risk tenant to navigating a fully mapped and correctable environment. Neutralizing data exposure and identity risks creates the secure bedrock necessary for an AI assistant to land safely in your system. Connect your Microsoft 365 tenant today to run your own read-only SafeScan, because a governed data perimeter is the essential prerequisite for responsible AI innovation.